This 2025 Winnebago Travato 59K is a Class B RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a canyon caramel, soft oak interior, sleeps 2, auxiliary battery, LP detector, TV antenna, external shower, air conditioning, self-contained, oven, refrigerator, water heater, awning, and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2025 Winnebago Travato 59K is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.